Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about the const keyword to declare a variable in JavaScript. Okay. So the const keyword was introduced in ES6 just like the let keyword. Okay. So variables defined with the const cannot be redeclared. Variables defined with const cannot be reassigned. So this is different from using the let. Okay. Variables defined with const have a block scope. I will discuss about the scopes in detail when we will be discussing about the functions and so on. Okay, so don't worry about that. So let's see the const in action. First of all, let's see the let variable and then we will discuss about some of the differences here. Okay, so let's do something like let age equals to 10. Okay, all right, this is good. Now what we can do something like this: age equals to age plus 2 CLG console log age. This is all good, right? Okay, this is good. But once again, we cannot redeclare the age variable. So if I just do something like this, let age equals to 20. Okay, so we cannot do that. As you can see, VS Code is not happy. Okay, all right. So this is all good. But one thing to point out here, when we are using let, then we can basically update the value of that particular variable here. Okay, that is all good. But now let's do that with const. So I will just get rid of or just comment out this one and let's do const age equals to 10 and do something like console log of age. That is totally valid. Okay, so it is creating a normal variable here. All right, so it is creating the age variable. Now if I just do something like this, age, okay, age equals to age plus 2. Okay, here as you can see, we are updating the variable, okay, value. Now if I save that, now inside of the editor we are not getting any sort of errors, but inside of the console we are getting errors like assignment to the constant variable. Okay, uncaught type error. So here this thing is not valid with the constants. So this is the key difference between the let and the const. Okay, so while creating the variables with the let keyword, we can update the variable value. While creating a variable with the const keyword, we cannot update the variable value. Okay, all right. Once again, we cannot do something like this as well. So const age equals to 20, we cannot do that. Okay, the identifier ages has already been declared. Also, we cannot do something like this as well. So if I just do let, also once again we are getting the same error. Okay, so the identifier age has already been declared, so we cannot do something like this. So to recap, here as you can see, I have written down these comments. So variables defined with const cannot be redeclared. Variables defined with const cannot be reassigned. So this is the reassignment. Okay, variables defined with let can be reassigned, but variables defined with const cannot be reassigned. Okay, also variables defined with const have block scope. Also that is same for the let as well. Variables defined with let have the block scope as well. I hope that makes sense. So now you might be thinking like, hey, where I'm gonna be using the const? And to be frankly honest, we use const all the time. Okay, the variables which you define should not be updated randomly. This is a bad practice. So we use let when we cannot use the const. That is the best practice. Okay, so by default, while declaring a variable, we usually use the const, and you should use the const there. I hope that makes sense. Okay, all right, so this is the constant or the const in action. Okay, So in this video, we have learned about the const keyword, and we have learned how to create a constant variable in JavaScript.